The finish sign is over here. Yeah, for real. Let me see everybody going. I feel like a creep.
Can we get in?
Open it.
Yes. Oh my god, I think I can. Whoa, let's get sweaty. Don't look, Chad.
So, okay, don't look, guys. Don't look.
Get out of here.
You guys get this nice view.
No, ladies.
It's hot, and then you put water. You put water on it.
Oh my god, I'm so down here.
Oh yeah, it's soup. It's complimentary soup. Oh!
Chilling in the sauna with my friends.
Hi, I'm here. Oh baby. Oh, you're so close to me, Coney.
Wait, what did you need?
I'm here. I just want to see what you guys are doing.
Oh, okay. She's currently working in my farm. She's
Hi, MTV. Welcome to Crony's crib.
you actually look like you work for me.
Anything for you.
Somebody
Thank
stop
you.
her. She's cutting gravel with a pickaxe. Please.
Okay,
Is this
here you
upset
go.
you?
No, no.
Watch everybody.
Please wear the armor.
Watch, let me make it worse.
Look at cringe
No.
content.
No, don't do that, don't do that.
Oh
Okay.
Oh, you gave me things.
no! True panic.
You're so kind. I don't have a shovel.
I have a shovel.
Okay, it's okay,
I have a shovel. Here, take this shovel.
you have a shovel, okay.
Take shovel. Here you go. It's iron.
Yeah,
Oh,
actually, I had a shovel. I had Mume's shovel, but it's stone.
Something wrong
Oh, I'm a stone.
Stone.
So
Oh, thank you. Thank you for giving her.
with that. That's so last year. No, that's so
Last
season.
That is so last millennium.
It's like so outdated.
So.
What's that? Is that Valley Girl? Or is that they slur like that? Like shower.
Yeah, that's called vocal fry. When you your voice.
Oh, I'm doing that, but also when they're like sour.
So yes, you're a natural.
Oh my god. What if I always talk like that?
There's nothing wrong with it. I was just doing it.
Am I a valley girl?
There's nothing wrong with it. I lost. My pickaxe broke.
Oh, it's okay. Here you go. There's one more.
Hi ho, hi ho. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Oh,
Hi
Baby
ho.
wishes to sleep.